So you created a brand new channel, or maybe you have an existing channel and you're finding that it is not showing up in YouTube search. I have several tips and tricks for you to show you how to get it fixed. So for example, let's look up here on the top in the search bar and I type in your channel name. Let's just say that's what you named your channel, and you click search and nothing is showing up down here in search results. And then you go to filters here at the top with this little hamburger icon, and you go under type and you click channel and you're looking for your channel name, assuming that's what you named your channel for this particular example, and you cannot find your channel. So here's what I want you to do. First and foremost, make sure that when you are searching on YouTube, especially to check for your channel or to check your search rankings, that you are searching in an incognito window. What we're going to do here is move up to File, and you can see the third drop down is a incognito window, because you and I can put the exact same information into a Google search bar and get entirely different results. We're going to use my newest channel here today as an example, Elite Fit with Andrea Jean, and I'm going to take you through the steps that you'll need to do to ensure that your YouTube channel name shows up in search results. First thing that you want to do is go to Customize Channel. You can see here we are in the Customization tab right here. It looks like a little marker. We got Layout, Branding, and Basic Info. You want to make sure that you are in Basic Info. One thing that I suggest is that you put your channel name within the beginning of the About section. And let me share with you why this is so important. Let's say I was just doing a search on YouTube and I wanted to type in Elite Fit with Andrea Jean. Look what pops up here. You can see free at-home workouts and HIIT training. Elite Fit with Andrea Jean is dedicated. So my About section is showing up in search much like a blog post. So everything counts when it comes to your YouTube channel. The other thing that we're going to look at is the Settings tab here on the bottom left-hand side. It looks like a little gear icon, and this is going to save you a ton of time as well. Let's go ahead and click over to Upload Defaults, and you can see my description box is already filled out, but you want to look right here under Tags. You want to put your channel name under your tag. So you would just, for your example, we'll go like this, your channel name, type it in, hit the return bar, and then it's automatically updated in there for you. The other thing that I like to do is in the description box right here at the bottom, I do like to put in the hashtag Elite Fit with Andrea Jean. I want to increase all opportunity that my YouTube channel is found, and there's no confusion amongst YouTube what my YouTube channel name is. And last but not least, make sure that you have uploaded at least one YouTube video. All these things in combination should allow your YouTube channel to be found in search. Click the video on screen now for some additional YouTube growth tips and beginner guide linked in that description box below. Thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you, my friend, in the next one.